Hi, and welcome to our video guide on how to migrate your Access database to the cloud without coding. In part 3, I will show you how to create a login screen to password protect all the forms and data. Let's have a look. Now that we have our unique username and password fields as our credentials to log into the application, the next thing that you want to do is move down to the Authentications object. Click on New Authentication to go through the wizard. And in this dropdown, you're going to select your data source. Once you click on the dropdown, you're going to gain access to all 6 of your tables. And the table that you want to select here is the users table because this table contains the username and the password fields. For your setup options, you could use Custom or Express. Express is a very quick way of creating the login screen. If you use Custom, you have a lot more customization options. Just to give you an example, if you select ID Services, now you can allow your end users to log in using their Gmail account, for example, instead of the table that you have selected up here under data source. We have additional videos that walk you through on how to set up social media login. In this video, we're not going to do that. So let's go back to the Express Radio button. And the 2 fields that I'm going to use are the username field and the password for my login screen. Now, if you opted out to use the email as your credential and you made it a unique field, then you would be able to see the email value here as well. You can also expand the advanced settings. I do encourage you to actually go through each one of these options here to see how they can enhance your application. For now, we're going to go ahead and collapse that, hit create, and let's give our authentication a name. I'm going to call this users login and click finish. And that's all you have to do. Now please keep in mind that in Caspio you can build a much more sophisticated user level management system. This is a very simple example. In Caspio you can also have different permissions with different privileges. So for example, you can have admin level rights versus manager versus employee. So if an employee logs in, they only have read-only rights. Conversely, if an admin logs in, they should be able to read the data, but they should also be able to edit the data because they are the highest level user that's logged into the application. We're not going to cover that in today's video, but we do have plenty of other resources that walk you through on how to set up more advanced configurations. Thank you for watching video 3, and I hope to see you in the next lecture where I talk about how to build forms and reports. I'll see you there.